Hello guys! Happy Saturday! Ayan, kita niyo si Harold. Ayan, naayos na niya yung kotse at kami ay mag-road trip na. Say good morning, Hailey! Ayan ang aming baby! Yun na, first time ko siya nalagyan ng shoes, guys. Kasya sa kanya kasi medyo makapal yung medyas. Time check, 6:40. Ayan. Medyo paalis na din kami siguro mga 5 to 10 minutes. Kaya ayan, road trip tayo sa Agassiz, BC for the long weekend. Ay, nagsisipon. Ay, nagsisipon ng baby. Ayan, guys. Ayan ang aming masipag. Ayan, si Harold. Naayos. Punong-puno. Guys, 3 araw lang kami mawawala. Parang buong bahay ang dala namin. Nakakaloka. Diba? Dala ko na yung kape ko. May pang-almusal na kami dyan sa kotse. Kaya, ayan. Sana maganda weather dun kasi parang ang forecast rainy eh. Pero sana umaraw for the long weekend. Canada Day. Yan. Bakasyon mode tayo ngayon, guys. Kaya, ayan. See you guys later. Guys, ayan na. Maayos na ni Harold yung taas. Ayun ang pwesto ko. Good luck naman, diba? Tabi kami ni Hailey. And then, ito ang likod. 3 araw lang kami mawawala, guys. Pero buong bahay, dala namin. Ito pa, mga gan. Yan. Where's my Hailey? Hailey! Si Mama ngayon ang passenger princess. Lahat tayo. Tayong 3 pala, passenger princess na. Sis! Good morning! Chill na yan. Okay, see you guys later.
Getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun. Getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun. Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, where did you go? Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. I'm wild and free, basic getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun. Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, where did you go? Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, sweet joy, where did you go? Remember the days we were young, wild and free, basic getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun. Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, where did you go? Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, sweet joy, where did you go? Remember the days we were young, wild and free, basic getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun.
Guys, stop over muna kami saglit. Dito na kami, oh, bundok. Ayan, oh, dinaanan namin ngayon, oh, puro graba. Ayan, dahan-dahan lang si Harold, parang kami na nag-drive dito. Kasi tumatalsik yan, eh. Bundok na kami. Mga 9 minutes drive pa. Tapos cabin na. Kaya sabi namin, stop muna dito. Stretching ulit, ah. Ayan. Kami lang ang umakyat dito. Ayan, handaan, guys. Stretching!
Sarap ng araw.
Sarap ng araw, eh. Oh. Ayan. Katakot maglakad dun kasi kanina may nakita na kaming ano yun?
Deer.
Deer. Isang pamilya. Nabidyohan ko. Ewan ko makita ko dito.
Baka mamaya may bear naman dyan.
Oo nga, katakot eh. Hanggang bundok na, guys, oh. Ayun, kakaiba na yung mga ano dito, oh. Mga tanim, ayan.
Wild.
Mga wild ano pa yan? Mga wild plants. Ayan, no, yung isa pa, oh. Ano, kakaiba yung flower. Yan.
Remember the days we were young, wild and free, basic getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun. Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, where did you go? Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, sweet joy, where did you go?
Guys, ayan na yung mga cabin dito, oh, sa Agassiz. 2 minutes drive na lang kami. Gaganda, oh. Yan. Wala lang signal dito, guys, pero may wifi dun sa Airbnb namin. Time check. 9:59. Yan. Almost 3 hours din kaming nag-drive. Kasi may mga stopover kami kay Hailey. Yan. Tapos nag-stretching. Tapos nakakita kami ng magandang spot. Yung kanina may waterfalls. Ayan. Yung mga nakikita namin sa sakyan dito, mga naka 4x4 eh. Dire-diretso sila eh. Taas na ng bundok to, guys, oh. Ayun na, mukhang kita ko na yung ano natin. Ayan. Ang dami, puro cabin, no? Hilit. Tahimik.
Feeling ko puro Airbnb dito.
Yeah, puro cabin na Airbnb. Yan, no? Lapit na kami. 1 minute. Ayan. Magka-cabin tour tayo mamaya. Ayan. Ayan guys, mag-cabin tour tayo. Ayan si Harold, oh. Kaka-car wash lang yan pero nagpupunas na sa sasakyan. Ang alikabok paakyat dito. So ito na yan. Yung cabin. Sila mama nandun na sa sala. So ayan na.
Airport pa naman ako.
Akyat tayo guys. Yung mga mabibigat naming gamit, si Harold na mag-aakyat niyan. Double garage pero wala kaming access dyan. Yan. Ito yung entrance. Binigay na sa amin yung code kasi kami ang nauna dito. So, ayan, yung space niya. Merong parang foyer. Pwede kang umupo magsapatos dyan. May first aid kit sila. Bawal pumasok daw dyan. Para mala basement to eh. So, ikutin natin. Meron ako nakitang isang room dito, guys. So, ayan. So, yung mga gamit niya pwede sa pag mga winter. Dyan daw lalagay yung mga pang skiing. Ito yung isang bedroom dito sa baba. Ayan. Tapos may washroom na isa. Hindi rin yata pwedeng pumasok dito, guys. Ayan, isang washroom. Ayan, may mirror. Yan. Tapos, akyat tayo dun sa taas. Ito, hallway. Tapos, akyat tayo sa hagdan. Palit muna tayo ng inside sleepers. Yan. Akyat tayo. May bubungad na sa'yo guys na towel. Ayan. Nilinis na daw nila to ng Friday night eh. Ayan, si Hailey at si Mama. Yan ang kitchen. Yan, may fridge. Hi, Hailey! Sus! Ito ang kanilang pa-welcome. Welcome, Presi and family. Si Tita Presi yan. So, ayan ang kitchen. Ganito, lutuan, microwave, double sink. Ayan ang yung neighbor. Ayan. Tapos may counter dito. Meron naman silang dishwasher. And then, ito ang dining room. Parang open concept to eh. Ang ganda ng ano nila, oh, ilaw. Ayan, yung labas. Ito, may malaking flat screen TV. Meron pa bonfire, fireplace, ayan. Ayun yung mga kahoy dun, guys. Tapos ito ang living room. Yan. Ayun yung hagdan paakyat doon sa iba pang rooms sa taas. Ayun na may loft. Yan. Ayan ang hot tub. Diyan tayo mamaya. Diba? Overlooking sa balcony. Tapos may, alam ko meron ditong barbecue grill. Ayan guys. Ganda diba? Tapos ayan ang view mo. Mountain view. Yan. Tapos, akyat tayo. Ito naman yung window dito sa, ayun, may kapitbahay na nag-barbecue na. Wow, ang dami namang stuff toy. Hailey, look oh. May mga stuff toy oh. Akyat tayo sa taas. Check natin yung mga rooms. Let's go. Sama kayo, ma. Ay, meron sila ditong halaman, oh. May indoor plant. Yan. Ah, ito yung isang room. Single. Single bed to. Alam ko 6 rooms to eh. Ito yung loft. Yung bed nagiging bed daw yan. Pull out yan. Sa baba. Tapos may TV din. Yan. Next room. Ito, king size na bed. Yan. Diba? Ito naman ang kanyang view sa bintana. Yan. Next. Check natin, Hailey. Yan. Next room. Ito parang kids room to eh. So parang double bed siya oh. Ayan. Oh, parang kids room kasi tingnan mo oh, may laruan. Ito, may washroom. Ayan. Shower. Next room. Asan ang next room? Ay, wala na, yun lang pala yung room dito. 1, 2, 3. Tatlo dito sa taas pala, guys. Tapos, ang laki nung electric pa, nilalamig na sila, mama. Patayin daw natin. Tapos, ayan, overlooking. Ayan yung baba, guys. Yan. Diba? Ganda. Okay. Ito, guys, pala yung room dito sa baba.
4, 5,
May washroom. Yeah, may washroom. Tapos ito pa yung isang room. Yan. May bunk bed, tapos may isang single. Pwede kami dito. Kami ni Hailey, si Harold, tapos si Mama. Ayan. Yun naman yung view. And then may isa pang room. Ayan. Parang ito queen size. Queen size bed nga ba yan? Ayan yung mga linens. Ay, meron ditong washroom pa. Ito, may full washroom. Parang masters to. Kasi may ano dito, may washroom na sarili. Ayan. Ayan, may mga shampoo and conditioner na kasama, oh. Saka Irish Spring. Meron naman silang sinabi sa email, guys, eh. Na may mga soap, na may shampoo, conditioner, may mga towels, simple kitchen spices. And then, nag-request kami ng playpen, pack and play kay Hailey, saka high chair. So, hanapin na lang namin. Nakalimutan ko yung sinabi kung saan nakalagay, eh. Itong is, ito yung laundry. Oh, ayan. Ito, mama, laundry room. Ayan pala, guys. Welcome, baby. And toddler. Ito yung nakalagay. Ayan pala yung pack and play. Ito, ayan o. Welcome baby toddler, baby towels, baby soap, baby gate, eating chair, pack and play, fire safety gate. We love kids. Oh, ayan o, meron ano si Hailey. Ayan, dami dito towels. Wow, Hailey, oh, look at your high chair. Yung chair mo pang eating. Oh, pwede maglaba, guys. May gate. Ayan, may gate. Tapos ito, meron pa silang plancha. Ayan yung panglaba. Pwedeng maglaba, guys. Pag naubusan ka ng damit, tissue, kitchen towel. Ayan, mga hand soap. Ayan. Hailey! Yan pala, yung galing. Kompleto din naman sila. Magaling yung host na may-ari nito. So, si Kendra and Trevor with 4 kids. So, sila yan, no? Yung na to. Galing. Hailey! Ay, chik, chik, chik. Wa, eat ka na? Eat na, baby ko?
Remember the days we were young, wild and free, basic getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun. Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, where did you go? Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, sweet joy, where did you go?
Guys, tignan nyo ang hot tub. May tubig na. Uy! At mainit. Uy, tara na. May swimsuit kayong dala. Ako meron, pati si Hailey.
Wala.
Ayan. Mag-boxer ka na lang. Ako na yan. Tapos guys, iinom-inom
Sarap
kayo
to,
dito.
pagka ano.
Naka-wine kayo dyan or kaya beer. Tapos ayan ang view. Gagawin mo yon kapag nakashot ka na, tutubog ka dito.
Wala, ano lang yan.
Etchos lang nila yung hot tub hours 8 to 11. Pero ang quiet hours kasi dito sa 11 p.m. daw yan. May yung temperature. Okay. Ang galing. Oo nga eh. Open mo nga.
Hindi. Doon daw muna i-open eh. Baka
Please
ganun
open
yun.
this side first.
Ganun, tapos
Igaganon mo. Okay. Yan ang aming view. Tingnan mo yung barbecuehan.
yan mo ganda na parking po.
Yeah. Tingnan mo yung barbecue muna kung anong klaseng barbecue meron sila.
Propane po.
Grill.
Propane.
Oo nga, propane yung sabi, pero tingnan natin
May
kung...
barbecue sila, di ba?
Yeah. May pang barbecue si Tita Presley. Weber. Oh, nice.
Mahal to.
Mahal yan, Weber.
Malaki yan.
Malaki.
Saan yung ano? Gasol
Yeah.
gasol yung propane.
Ewan.
Kaya ito propane.
Baka nasa loob, tingnan mo. Yan sa loob. Yan, nakatago siguro.
Ay, wala.
Wala. Meron yan. May fire extinguisher nga dito, oh. JD, bakit? Uy, ayun na parang meron doon na slide na water slide ba yun? Kulay blue and green.
In your resort.
That's the resort. Guys, tignan nyo naman yung view. Ganda. Ayan. Ayan ang aming driveway. Ayun, may mga firewood pa doon. Ganda naman dito. Nakaka-relax. Diba?
Ayun yung nakikita natin sa highway kanina.
Yan. Kaway. Hailey! Ano si Hailey? Si Mama. Ma! Halika dito. Where's my Hailey pot-pot? Pumasok na sila. Hailey! Sleep time. Sleeping time na ni Hailey, guys. Ayan, katapos lang namin mag-lunch. Dito kami sa balcony. Nagpapababa ng kinain. Grabe naman yung kinayan. Magkano kaya yung ganitong bahay dito? Ganda. Kaway.
Uy, baka bumagsak yung camera mo sa windshield ko.
Bakit?
Yun na sino mo.
Natatakot ako eh. Mahal pa naman ako.
Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me.
Dito, dumating na sila, oh. Sis, Lolo, oh, Lolo. May baon kami ng rice. Makapula. I'm Canada. Ano may dala akong CIBC. May dala akong CIBC pero hindi ako suot. Ngayon ako magpapalit ako. Wow naman! Wow naman! Red na red talaga sila. Ano, umiyak na! Umiyak na! Guys! Ayun ang video. Ayun ang ulam. Oh, please dala nila.
Pwede pa yung pito o ano. Ayan o.
Busy sila. Parang di ko alam, uunahin ko dyan na.
Laughing, having fun. Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, where did you go? Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, sweet joy, where did you go?
Guys, update. Time check, 8 PM na pero maliwanag pa din. Yan. Dito ako sa duyan. Nakapag-shower na kami. Diba, galing kami sa bathtub kanina. Tapos pinakain ko si Hailey and then pinatulog. Tapos eto ngayon, minomonitor ko siya sa phone ko. Naiwan ko kasi yung baby monitor. So, buti may laptop ako. So, ayan. Naka-video call kami. Kikita ko pa rin siya dito. Ayan. May second batch na magsuswimming. Dyan pala sa bathtub. Sila Tita Tess ata. Ayan. Parang ang ng oras dito. Ang bagal ng oras. Pansin ko lang talaga. Kasi nung dumating kami siguro mga 10:30. Tapos kumain kami 11:30. Tapos dumating sila. Yan 10. 10 pala kami dumating, guys. Tapos kumain kami mga 11:30. 11:30 to 3. Hanggang dumating sila tita, dito, Presi. Ang bagal ng oras. Pati ngayon. Alas 8 pa lang. Parang ang daming, parang mo yun. Nakaka-relax. Na parang, ma-enjoy mo talaga yung araw mo dito. Sulit tong Saturday namin kasi maaga kami dumating. Sila Tita Presi, mga 3 PM. Hindi sila natuloy mag-picnic sa Cultus Lake kasi late na rin sila doon, tas wala silang mapwestuhan. Tas hindi pa sila mga nag-breakfast, lunch. So, ayan. Dito lang kami, chill. For sure, magigising pa to si Hailey. Yan. Hindi pa yan talaga tulog niya ng hanggang umaga. Yan. Ang daming energy kanina. Hinarot-harot niya si tita din eh. Kaya ayan, plakda. Sarap dito. Yan, enjoy. Yung katabi namin, ako, baka makapiright ako sa music nila, Han. Nagpa-party-party talaga sila, oh, dyan sa may balcony din nila. Tapos yung katapat namin, dito na Vietnamese, nanghingi sa amin ng sibuyas kanina. Ayan, nabigyan naman sila ni Tito Arnel. Nakalimutan daw sibuyas. Ayan, ayan. Ayan si Harold sa tabi ko. Nagsha-shot na. Nihintay si Tito Boy.
Remember the days we were young, wild and free, basic getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun.
Hindi pa ito lasing ah. Ang init. Sobra. Wala may nakikinig.
1 million views na per 1 million views to. Kita, Tracy, doon sa dulo. Yan, may masarap na yan. Yan, masarap na yan.
Summer love, you were no one did what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, where did you go? Summer love, you were no one did what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, sweet joy. Where did you go?
Anto ka na naman? Ayan na, ayan na. Antok na naman.
Remember the days we were young, wild and free, basic getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day,